Hey, what's up, guys? What, no annoying crash? I just kind of wanted to do a little follow-up on my last video there. I left a few things out that that didn't really belong in that particular video, so we're just kind of doing a redo on that. So these are the little tool rests. I don't know, I think I showed in the last video that this was all chewed right out. Alright, so I think I got everything out of the way that could potentially burst into flames. The way I see it, I can't wreck it any worse. And I wasn't sure it was going to work. And honestly, a majority of this weld, you're getting a better picture of the back of my hand, so. For the most part, like it filled up pretty good. Yeah, so I am still cleaning up from that last video. Oh my god, look at this. There's a lot of chips flying around here. Holy fact, chip control's a factor. That seems to be a little bit more manageable. Not a freaking square spot on this lathe to put a mag base to. At least they're not going into the motor belts. That's all I'm worried about. Yeah, I think I may very well be cleaning up after that job for quite some time. Those chips were going everywhere. Yeah, so basically just taking care of a few little things left to do on that grinder before a guy can attach a motor to it. I did manage to find a pulley for it, so might as well cut a little keyway on it right now. And we'll get a boat center here. It doesn't have to be too perfect. About 5 1/4. But there, it'll be center then. And basically I just bring this up until I start feeling resistance. Try to make the cutter exactly pointing down. And that's a 1/1000 paper. So it's 5/8. So I want to go 312. Up there, I guess, and plus 100 and half of 188, 94, I guess. Should be right about there. And I want about an inch long keyway in there, so we'll go to right where the dot is. That'll actually end up being a little more than an inch. That's all right. Okay, so we got a 3/16 carbide end mill in there, and I think we're just about ready to go here. It's kind of slow, but we'll just have to gently nudge it in. We'll set our depth here. About 115 thou, so we'll do it in 2 passes. We're looking. Oh yeah, nice and round. Now, as a matter of preference, I don't like taking little whisper cuts with an end mill. It seems like you're just really wasting a lot of cutting surface there, to me. Yeah, so you want to go about an inch, I guess. That's really tight. It's kind of a small end mill, smaller than I'm accustomed to using. I'm going to go kind of slow with this. That, and I can't see a damn thing. Oh boy, doesn't look very good. Kind of looks like I'm going uphill. I know I trimmed in the vise, but that is not looking right at all. Nope. Damn it. Well, so much for Keyway being simple. Jesus. Every time you tighten up these dovetails, they go somewhere else. Yeah, we're gonna bust this end mill. Let's try to climb mill through there. Just because it was on an angle there, so a little bit of it was actually trying to pull it in until we reach the front. Alright, now we should go through it. Still looks good. Looking much straighter now. Another 1/4 inch or so. Well, that certainly wasn't the smoothest Keyway I ever cut, but it's done. Damn, never on the first try. That's deep enough. This is actually a pretty tight pulley. Oh, it's not going to be deep enough, is it? Nope, it's perfect. Bang on. Focus. There we go. That's about as close as I can get it. Yeah, so I'll get this thing there eventually. I still got to find a motor for it. That is a really good fit. I found this on an old, it's used. It's so old it's still got a flathead screw in it. But that was off an old saw that I tore apart a while back. Yeah, so that took a little longer than expected. It was kind of supposed to be just a quick job, but glad it worked out either way. You can't even tell where that thing was going uphill there. So I'm pretty happy with that. That'll work just perfectly. Yeah, so hopefully I can wrangle up some material and get started on that pedestal for the grinder here. But until then, guys, thanks for watching.